What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. So today we got another fun-filled video for you. We'll be doing a driveway resurfacing. The prior existing driveway was gravel, and we'll be resurfacing it with the one and only, the best material there is, crushed asphalt. So do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe, do all the fun stuff. You know what it is. But on top of that, if you guys wouldn't mind or you're interested, go to our About page on our channel and go check out our merch store. It's listed down in the About info. It just says merch. You click on that and it'll go right to our website. We've been working hard lately. We're gonna enjoy a little treat, nice little cigar. Get that rolling here. Tastes pretty good. Alright, let's get into this video here. So, yeah, I hope you guys been enjoying the content lately. We've been doing a lot of different jobs and stuff, trying to mix it up a little bit. I know sometimes, like, another driveway, we do a lot of driveways. That's our bread and butter. Keeps us real busy. They're easy, they're simple, low overhead, low cost to do it, and they're profitable, and it works. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. So today, got one of our favorites, another driveway resurfacing. Getting the equipment loaded up right now. Did some maintenance. Changed the trailer tire. All the projects. Never stops. Let's get back to the hustle. Yeah, we're going to be doing crushed asphalt driveway. And we got to deliver a couple loads of topsoil today. Let's go.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it love. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Same old, doing my thing with my broom. I know people always laugh and they're like, dude, why don't you use like a rake or something? I'm like, I just like my broom. It works good, it's simple, and it's just my thing. It's whatever, it works. Gets the job done. But yeah, this one was just a quick one. It's only 5-6 minutes long, and yeah, we just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of one of the quick jobs that we did, and on to the next one. Let's go. You know what it is. Do your thing. Continue to play in the dirt. Love what you do. Continue to grow. Work hard.